Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove line spacing from table in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we can see here added a table. Now we want to remove line spacing from this table. Select whole table, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu. Then click the line spacing option and choose 1 pt. Then click outside of the table and we can see we remove the line spacing from this table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.